everyone, hope you're well and enjoying the gorgeous weather that we're having again. Today with Rock at Home we're going to learn a song by Wilson Pickett. It's called Mustang Sally. It's a bit of an old bluesy type song, but one of my favourite genres that I like to do, and it's really straightforward. All you need is a capo on the 3rd fret, and we'll be using the same shapes that we previously have done, the A, D and the E chords. So the first chord is A. It's an A shape, and you need to put your fingers up from the capo, go 2 frets up, and you need to put them on the D, G and the B, and just play those. Don't play the top string, just the remaining strings below it. So that's your A. You've got your D shape chord, and you need to put your fingers again on the 2nd fret on the G and the E, and on the B you need to put it on the 3rd fret away from the capo, and again just play the strings from the A down. Don't play the E string. And then the final chord we're going to use is an E shape, and again you need to put your fingers on the A and the D, and on the G on the 2nd fret, and on the G on the 1st fret, and you can play all of the strings for that. Okay, so that's A we're going to use. A shape again, D shape and E. So when you're playing these chords you need to put a little bit of expression into it. If you just do a straight all the way through, it's not got a lot of feeling to it. You kind of need to feel the song, especially with blues. I've mentioned this in other songs that we've done. It's all about the feel that you put into playing the strings. So this is blues. What I would do is, as a suggestion, is maybe that kind of feel for this particular song. So it's down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, and then when you change it's again, and then back to the A again. So that's what I would do. Also, maybe when you're playing the verses, play them a little bit quieter, and when you come to the chorus, really hit the strings a little bit, quite a bit harder, just to give it a little bit more dynamics when you're actually playing through the song. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put the track on and we're going to play along to it, and I'm going to call out the chords as we go along. A.
Mustang Sally. Guess you better slow your Mustang down.
Okay, A. Get ready to change.
What I said now. Mustang Sally, now baby.
D.
Guess you better slow your Mustang down.
A.
Oh yeah. You've been
E. D. Stop.
Guess I have to put your flat feet on the
A.
I said now.
Mustang Sally by Wilson Pickett. When you're playing that A chord, don't know if you noticed what I was doing. I was just releasing my fingers on and off it like that, or you can maybe lift the third finger just to make it sound a little bit different. So, or like that. Hope you enjoyed the Rock at Home session this week. Don't forget, put me a couple of comments on there, some likes, and obviously tell your friends about it as well. They're welcome to, they can like play along to the song and get involved with the Rock at Home sessions. They're free. If you've got any suggestions as well for songs that you'd like to do, pop them in the comments and I can have a little look at them and maybe get them up online to you as well and show you how to play along to them. So have a good week and enjoy the weather, and see you all soon.